We are ready for our summer of innovation. Check out what your kids will be learning.
Scratch Camp is perfect for ages 7 to 10, where campers build interactive games, animations, and stories while learning coding logic, creativity, and problem-solving skills. Kids love seeing their ideas come to life on screen.
Learn Python coding through the exciting world of Pixelpad. Campers create games, animations, and interactive projects while mastering real Python skills like loops, functions, variables, and problem solving. It's the perfect camp for students ready to code, create, and bring their ideas to life. Unity Game Design Camp is perfect for ages 11 to 16, where campers create exciting 2D and 3D games while learning programming, level design, physics, and game development skills. Kids love bringing their own game ideas to life like real developers.
YouTube Content Creation Camp is perfect for ages 10 to 16, where campers create their own videos using DaVinci Resolve and Krita while learning video editing, digital art, storytelling, branding, and creative media skills. It's perfect for kids who aspire to become YouTubers by helping them develop real technical and creative production skills used by today's content creators.
Roblox Studio Camp is perfect for ages 9 to 14, where campers design and build their own playable games while learning coding, game design, scripting, and creative problem solving. Kids love creating worlds they can actually play and share with friends.
We look forward to having your coder join us this summer.